I just stopped to say hi. I don't have nothing for you guys. No. It's May the 1st, 2020. It's the warmest day we've had so far this year. And these guys here, they got two big round bales of hay up in the way up top up there. But they're hardly touching it. They're down here trying to get whatever little green grass is coming up. There's not much green grass coming up. It's slowly starting to sprout, but they're nibbling what they can get. Won't be long and it'll shoot up like crazy. But they're down here trying to get whatever couple inch or inch and a half or so that they can get. That's sprouting up. Yep. Yeah. Hey girls. Starting to green up a little tiny bit. Big pasture. I haven't turned them loose in there yet. They're still closed in their little winter pen right here. I put the two sows in with the boar the first week of March, and I seen boar breeding one of the sows on the 26th of March, and I seen him breeding the other one on the 3rd of April. So it'll be late May babies, I guess. Early June. Now, this is the nicest day we've had. I booked a mini excavator for a week rental. So I'm gonna take the boom off the dump truck here. It comes off really easy. Just pull two pins, put the outriggers down, and put the boom against the tree, and it comes right off. And I got quick couplers for the hydraulics, and then I'm gonna use that for cleaning up all the manure and load it in the box of the dump truck here and haul it into the gardens and stuff. The snow is pretty much gone. There's still a few patches here and there in the bush. Down there in those trees down there is still snow. I tried to drive a couple of T-posts yesterday, but the ground was frozen 6 inches down. Okay, still haven't fixed the broken U-bolts on this trailer yet. Okay guys, I just thought I'd do a short video. What's talk to you later. Bye. Well, tonight it's farm fresh T-bone beef steak. It's been sitting here marinating with spices and Worcestershire sauce and Parmesan cheese. It's been marinating here for a couple hours. Oh, it got dark. It's been marinating here, ready for a nice fresh farm raised T-bone steak to go on the barbecue. Look at that juicy thing, eh? Ooh, yes. Throw that right on there like that. Close her up for a little while. And we wait. And the two sows are standing up over there. And the boar is laying down. You can see him laying down over there. And the steers are out there in the front pasture. They were all laying down out there earlier, but now I see one of them's walking this way. Whenever they see me go out in the yard, they come looking. And I was outside in the yard here I came out to light the barbecue. So they probably seen me. Or else they're moving up closer to the house for the night, because they were all bedded down out front there by the center of the field. Yeah, T-bone steak, 0.55 kgs. So that's just over a pound. 2.2 pounds to the kg. So that's 0.55 kgs that was weighed out as. Marked right on there. Cut up right here on the farm, raised on the farm, slaughtered on the farm, butchered on the farm. Can't beat that. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'll give it a little flip over. Oh, guess I better zoom it back out, eh? I zoomed in for the piggies. Now we'll give it a little secret taste of garlic barbecue sauce. To add that extra zing to it. And you can't have a nice steak without some nice little bit of barbecue sauce on it. Okay. Not too much, not too little. Just the right amount on there. Just to get that to soak into the meat while it's cooking on the other side for a few minutes. Oh, get back up there. Close her back up. Give her a few more minutes on that side and she'll be good. Good to rock and roll and medium rare. Just the way we like them. The little barbecue sauce. Let's see how we're doing here. Looks about right. Now what better can that be, eh? Farm fresh beef T-bone steak that has never left the yard. Was raised here. It was bottled, calved here. What? You guys talking to me? Yeah. You came up here to eat grass now, eh? They think I have grain for them, but they had their grain for today already. Yeah. It's all raised right out there, and all that grass there, all that grass back there. Then it was slaughtered here, right there behind that truck. Then it was hung in the root cellar for 14 days, this one. And then we brought it inside and we put it on a bandsaw and we sawed it up into nice steaks. This is one of many that I've had. And me and Emma will enjoy this. And Emma will immensely enjoy the bone, along with little pieces of steak with me. I have a couple of baked potatoes inside in the microwave. They're talking to me down there. The piggies running around. You hear the geese squawking down at the barn. Make sure I turn the propane tank off. So that's it, guys. That's supper. Okay, have a great night, and we'll see you again later.